And the National Weather Service is confirming 4 tornadoes over the weekend in parts of west central and southwest Minnesota. The first tornado, reported at 5:42 Saturday evening, damaged an outbuilding on a farm east of Granite Falls. The second twister briefly touched down 6 miles north of Renville. A third tornado made a brief touchdown at an open field southeast of Princeburg in Kaneohe County. And the fourth one was in a field north of Madison in Lac-qui-Parle County. 1-inch hail was also reported southwest of Princeburg and near Frontenac in southeastern Minnesota.